Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to insert image from camera on Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To insert image from camera on Google Docs, open your browser and go to your Google Docs. I have opened a document in Google Docs and place your cursor where you want to insert the image. Now click on Insert tab on upper left corner. Now go to Image and here you will find an option Camera. Click on Camera. Now you have to allow camera access in Google Docs. I am just allowing for this time only. Click on the camera button to capture the image. The image has been captured. Now select the image and click on Insert. Look, the image has been inserted from camera on Google Docs. Now you can resize the image as you wish, or you can align left or right as you wish. I am aligning the center. This is the easiest way to insert image from camera on Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.